Video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple HTTP server to host your D3 program. So let's get started. So first of all, we could create a D3 program and store all the files such as HTML and JavaScript code to this folder. For example, I create a folder on my desktop called demo folder. After that, let's open our program and we can see I already created an index.html file. So this file is a basic structure file without any other parts, so it's just a body text. So the next step is to include the D3 in our program. So the way you can find how to include it is on the D3 website, and then you could just copy this line of code and copy it to your head. After that, we could include the D3 library into our program. So the next step is to create a simple server, and let me show you how to do it. So if you're using the Mac OS, you could open your terminal. So if you're using the Windows system, you could open your command line window. After that, you cd to the folder you just created. So let's cd to the desktop folder and cd to our demo, and we can see this index.html here. So the next step is to use this command called python -m http.server with a port number. So this port number you can think of is to listen your website, and we typically use a number larger than 8,000. For example, here I use 10,028 as my port number. Then just type enter. It will create a server for you. And then how to open the server is in your Chrome browser. So basically you open a new tab and type localhost 10,028, then type enter. Then it will show you the program you just created. And let's check whether we already include D3 here. So if we type F12, or if you right click and click this inspect, you could find this terminal or console in the Chrome browser. Then you could go to this source tab. So let me show you all things here. So go to this source tab, you can find we already include D3 here. So there are two things I would like to mention about this method. So the first of all, if you are using a HTML called index, so you just need to type localhost with the port number. However, if you created another index, for example, if I created HTML called chart.html, then I copy this here to this HTML. Then how to access this chart HTML is that after this localhost 10,028, you add a slash, then you add chat.html. Then you go to this different HTML file. So that's the first thing, how you access a different HTML file using a different name. So another thing I'd like to mention is that a drawback associated with this Python server is that sometimes it didn't work. When you refresh your page, it didn't show the newest updates you made. So how we can fix it is that there is a force reload in our browser or the Chrome. So if you right click on this refresh button, you could find there is a hard reload option. So, and also associated command you could use on your system. So if we click this one, it will hard refresh the web page and show you the updates we just made. So that's all you need to know about how to create a simple server to host your D3 program.